If you've ever wondered why some people manage to grow financially while others remain stuck with the same salary for years, then this video is for you. I'm going to reveal a practical step-by-step plan that can change your reality, even if today you think it's impossible to earn more. So, if you want more freedom, more opportunities, and more money in your pocket, stay with me until the end and discover how to go from a stagnant salary to financial success. Do you feel like you're working harder and harder, but your salary never seems to keep up with the cost of living? Have you tried saving, cutting expenses, but realize that's not enough to truly change your financial situation? If you want to know exactly how to double your income in just 6 months without relying on luck or waiting for a raise, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you a proven step-by-step strategy that has already helped thousands of people break free from financial stagnation and multiply their earnings. And the best part? You can start today. Most people never escape the cycle of financial stagnation because they make 3 fatal mistakes. The first mistake is relying solely on a fixed salary, believing that raises will come automatically over time. The second mistake is failing to see their earning potential beyond their current job, thinking that the only way to make more money is to work more hours. And the third mistake, perhaps the most dangerous, is the fear of change. Many people know they need to do something different, but remain paralyzed, waiting for the perfect moment that never comes. Let me quickly tell you Lucas's story. He had been working at the same job for years, earning a decent salary, but he never had money left at the end of the month. He watched his colleagues get raises, change jobs, and start businesses, but he always thought those opportunities weren't for him. Until one day, he decided to follow a strategy that I'm going to share with you here. 6 months later, his reality was completely different. He had doubled his income and taken full control of his finances. So, let's get straight to the point. How can you double your income in just 6 months? The first step is to change your financial mindset. This might sound cliche, but the way you see money and the value of your time determines your results. If you keep believing that the only way to make more money is to work more hours, your income will always be limited. Instead, start thinking of your time as a valuable asset. How much is 1 hour of your work worth today? Now think, how can you increase that value? People who earn more don't necessarily work more. They work smarter, investing their time and energy into high-return activities. Now that you've adjusted your mindset, the second step is to maximize what you already have, your current job. Many people don't realize that there are opportunities to earn more within their own workplace. The first thing you need to do is become indispensable. Learn new skills that increase your value to the company. Identify problems that no one is solving, and be the person who brings solutions. This gives you a strong argument to negotiate a raise, or even land a promotion. Did you know that 70% of people never ask for a raise? And do you know the main reason why? Fear of rejection. But the truth is, companies value proactive employees who show growth. So before thinking about earning money outside your job, see if there's room to earn more where you already are. The third step is to discover and monetize your skills. Everyone is good at something, but they often don't realize that it can be turned into money. Are you skilled in video editing, graphic design, teaching a particular subject? There are thousands of side hustle opportunities that can be done in your free time. And it doesn't have to be anything complicated. Small services like proofreading, social media content creation, or simple consulting can already generate a good extra income. A quick exercise. List 3 skills you have and search online to see how people are making money from them. You'll be surprised at what you find. Now that you have an extra income flowing in, the fourth step is to create passive income streams. The biggest mistake people make is thinking that passive income only comes from large investments. But there are simple ways to start, even without money to invest. Creating an online course, selling an ebook, starting a YouTube channel, investing in affiliate marketing. These are all real ways to make money without actively working every day. Did you know that many people make an extra $1,000 to $2,000 per month just from digital products? All without leaving home or keeping any physical stock. Of course, it takes an initial effort, but the results can change your financial life forever. The fifth step is to accelerate your financial growth. This is where you start scaling your earnings and turning them into something bigger. The extra money you're making should be reinvested strategically. If you keep spending everything you earn, you'll never get ahead. Reinvest in knowledge, in new income streams, in tools that can automate your work. And most importantly, track your progress. Set clear goals for the next few months and adjust your strategy as needed. The sixth step is learning how to sell. No matter what field you work in, knowing how to sell is a skill that can multiply your earnings. And we're not just talking about selling products, but also selling ideas, projects, and even yourself. Being able to communicate well and convince others of the value of what you do can open doors to new opportunities. The seventh step is developing an investor mindset. It's not enough to just earn more. You need to know where to put that money so it works for you. Many people make good money but remain stuck in a rat race because they don't know how to manage their finances. Here, we're talking about smart investments, diversification, and how to get started even with a small amount. The eighth step is building a strategic network. Your social circle can either speed up or limit your financial growth. Who are the people you talk to the most about money and opportunities? If you want to double your income, you need to be surrounded by people who are already at that level. Learn to build strategic relationships that can take you further. The ninth step is leveraging the power of the internet. It has never been easier to make money online, and those who understand this get ahead. From digital businesses to remote services, there are countless ways to increase your income without leaving home. We'll explore some of the best strategies to monetize your online presence. And finally, the 10th step is creating a solid, realistic action plan. It's no use just consuming information without applying anything. Here, we're going to outline a practical plan for the next 6 months with clear goals and actions you can start today. Now, let's recap everything you've learned today. First, we change your financial mindset to understand that you don't need to work more, but rather more strategically. Then, we explore ways to increase your income at your current job. Next, we talk about monetizing your skills and creating extra income streams. In the fourth step, we explore the power of passive income. And finally, we looked at how to accelerate your earnings and expand your income sources over time. What I want you to do now is simple. Pick one of these steps and take action today. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because it never comes. Financial success is built through small, consistent actions. And if you really want to transform your financial life, share this video with someone who needs to hear this, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which of these strategies you're going to apply first. See you in the next video.